Welcome back, friends. It is Lauren, the Soap Witch, and I thought that since I just gave myself a silk press today, that I would do a video on a week in my silk press, or 7 days. Because when I do a silk press, I do not do, why can I never think of words when I'm talking? I don't do a refresh in the middle of the week. I'm going to keep this for the whole 7 days. So this is day one. I just did my silk press earlier today. You already saw the video. If you didn't, there it is. You can check it out. Put a little card there. So I got the stupid bend in my hair because I took a nap. I didn't want to take a nap, but my body made me. That's irrelevant. I'm trying to tell you I'm sorry for rambling. So right now I'm just combing through it with the wide tooth comb and just kind of getting most of the what little tangles there are in it out. So then I use my brush for my wrap brush because that's what I do. And I've always used a brush kind of similar to it to wrap my hair. So then I just go through it with the brush. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wrap it. So I just, brush it in a circular motion, as you would assume that you would do when you're wrapping hair. Since it's like soft and straight, it tends to struggle with wanting to stay. I hold it with my hand. They have these new caps now where you only kind of got to partially wrap your hair, and it's like a net thing or whatever along with it. Don't give me the line, but I've seen a couple people do it, and it just makes wrapping easier. I might get one of those at some point, but I don't have one now is the point, and so we're just doing it this way. Wrapping it around. Finally got the final bit up. Some of it does kind of want to fall. Sometimes I go around it. I guess this is a hard bristle brush. I don't know. Don't get me to lying. Just to help the hair stay a little better and be neater. You don't gotta do all that. It's just me being extra. Okay. So that's staying up there mostly. So I have this wrap cap that I use, and I can't tell you where I got it from because I can't find another one, but it's just like a little cap, like a stocking cap, I guess. And I put it on inside out so the lines don't leave imprints all over my head because they will. And then I just kind of twist it around my head the way that they do when they use the new cap thingy that wraps your hair kind of for you. And that's just to make sure that all the hair is kind of going in the same direction and I don't end up with no weird bent pieces. And yeah, that's it. You could also just once you get it wrapped up, just tie it with a scarf, I suppose, and do kind of something similar. But I just like the cap. I'm kind of attached to it. So anyway, this is what I'm going to do to my hair every single night. So I probably won't do another night before video because it's just going to be this. I will show you what I do with my hair when I work out, which is real simple. I just do a kind of tight ponytail, but I'll still show it to you. Anyway, that's all for this one. I'll be back in the morning to comb it out and show you what it looks like. Morning. So I'm in a little bit of a rush. I need to get out the house like ASAP. So I took off my stocking cap thingy, whatever, and I'm just gonna comb my hair with the big, wide tooth comb. A lot of times I take my glasses off because I will comb them off my face, but also now I can't see, so there's that. And actually, I don't really part my hair. I just take some and comb it back. I don't know, I just like that look better. That's all I can tell you. Okay, so that's it. I know, easy peasy. I like the look of it as I've run my fingers through it some, so I do that. So yeah, here we are. Okay, so that's that. I'm off to work, and I will see you in the morning because this was day 2. I'll see you for day 3. Yeah. I pushed the button. You ain't prepared at all. Okay, so this is day 3. Yeah. Okay. Yes, today was day 1. Day 3. I could count. Okay. And I'm in a hurry. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm gonna comb this out. Before I comb my glasses off, I'm gonna take them off. I always use a wide tooth comb whenever I'm combing it out because I just like the way the hair falls better, and also, of course, it's easier to get through the hair. Okay. Put my glasses on so I can see something because I cannot. Okay. The hair just kind of does what it wants anyway. I didn't part it, but it kind of ended up with a part. But yeah. I just like to do kind of finger style and run my fingers through it because I just like the look of that. All right. So that's it for today. Well, I'll do a turnaround for you so you can see. I don't know why I sang that. Okay. All right. So that's that for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay. So this is day 4 in my silk press, and I saved you the trouble of watching me comb it out of the wrap because you've already seen that a couple times. But today I'm gonna go work out because no matter what hairstyle I have, unless I'm feeling ill or something, I still go work out. I don't ever skip. So I just usually put it in a tight ponytail. I'm just gonna take my brush, my trusty brush that is good for everything. And I'm gonna brush my hair in a high ponytail. Okay, there we go, because it was not wanting to go. And then I'm also just gonna go behind it because I like it to look neat. I'm gonna take my little scrunchy hair tie and I'm not gonna make it so tight that I feel like it's gonna make my eyes slant, but I want it tight enough that my roots stay straight and don't really have a chance to frizz up because I sweat a lot in my scalp. So I will also, if I feel like I'm getting too hot with the ponytail down, get my words together and tell you what I'm trying to tell you. I will just take a scrunchie with me. I typically take a scrunchie with me everywhere when I have my hair down in case I have to put it in a rush ponytail, like if it rains or looks humid, in my mind. Anyway, so like if I feel like if I'm just getting too hot, I will put my hair up like in a little bun with the scrunchie until I cool off. I don't really like bunching it up too much. Like I don't want to start off with it, in a bun. I would just do it like this, bun, right? But I don't really want to put too many bends and stuff in my hair because they'd be funny about coming out. But if I get too hot, I will put it up temporarily. I'm gonna leave this up until after I work out, until my head fully dries. So I'm gonna get sweaty. I'm gonna leave this until my head fully dries, and then I'm just gonna wrap it like I do every night. And you want to wait until your hair fully dries to give it less of an opportunity to, revert. Because we're trying to prevent that for the most part. So that's all there is to that. I will see you in the morning to take it down to see how well it fared. Okay? So I'll see you then. Morning. Yeah. Me hurrying up because I'm running behind. Of course I am. By all of my best efforts. Okay, so here we are. See, my roots start to revert a little bit. It would probably be better if I put like a headband on when I worked out, but those don't work out for me. That is to say, I got a big head, but they don't stay on there. Maybe that's why they don't stay on. I don't know. But yeah, so I don't wear them because they get to sliding around and making me upset, and I pull them off anyway. So, but I've seen other people, they do use a headband. I think it works for them. The roots don't look too bad, but I can tell they definitely want to revert. Overall, the rest of the silk press is still looking real silk pressy. And yeah, so that's it. Okay, so I'm running off now. I will see you. I'm going to do the same thing tonight that I did yesterday because I'm working out again. We just work out Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday is a little bit more high intensity, so we'll really see what I look like tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, see what those results in the morning. Okay, y'all, it is day 6. Yeah. I did not work out yesterday like I said I was because yesterday was absolutely horrendous. Okay. And the way that I was tired when I got back, I was like, so we're not working out today. You know, sometimes you just gotta, well, all the time really, prioritize mental health. And my mental health is, we're staying home. And I went to sleep early, like an old person. Anyway. So yeah, here we are. I always enjoy a nice silk press, and it's really wonderful to see my length, but I always miss my curls. Like yesterday I missed doing my refresh. Like, I mean, I didn't do it because I don't do it when I do a silk press, but like I love doing my refreshes. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be my last day. I don't go past day 7 ever because I'm just not gonna go that long without washing my hair anymore. It's a once a week thing. So yeah, that's where I am with it. And I'm excited to revert my curls back too. Anywho, so enjoy those last few days of the silk press. That's gonna be it. So anyway, see you tomorrow. Okay, this is day 7. My wash and go. No, I keep saying wash and go because I'm so used to that. It's my silk press. So I took a bath, a long bath earlier, and I kept this on, and I put a shower cap on top of it. But part of me is still feeling like I'm probably gonna have some weird parts that maybe got frizzy or I don't know. But you know, still must finish. So. So like up here where my hairline was, I kind of was sweating a little bit. So that part's definitely poofy. But it's still not terrible. I only risk taking a bath because I'm going to do a hot oil treatment tonight. Alright. Alright. Alright, so that is it for this. I hope you got some tips and such to help you extend the life of your silk press in case you give yourself one or get one somewhere else and don't want it to revert after 5 seconds. But I hope you enjoyed this video, And if you got something out of it, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.